Hey there, ever wondered why chloride process titanium dioxide is the top choice for the paint and ink industry? Today, we're going to break it down and show you why this type of titanium dioxide is a game changer. So, what's so special about the chloride process? Unlike the sulfate process, which can have more impurities, the chloride process produces super pure titanium dioxide. This means it has higher whiteness and brightness, making your paints and inks look vibrant and sharp. Let's talk about coverage. Ever struggled with getting your paint to cover a surface evenly? Chloride process titanium dioxide has excellent opacity, which means you need less product to achieve full coverage. This is perfect for getting that smooth, flawless finish with fewer coats, saving you both time and money. And here's a bonus: the chloride process is also more environmentally friendly. It generates less waste and fewer emissions compared to the sulfate process, so you are not just getting a better product, you are also making a greener choice. So, if you are looking for bright, durable, and consistent paints and inks, chloride process titanium dioxide is the way to go. At Liangjiang Chem, we're proud to offer high-quality titanium dioxide that meets the needs of the paint and ink industry. Got questions? Feel free to reach out, we're here to help.